Hello, I'm Tarotist Maggie Norton, and today I want to bring you a tarot card of the week. I've already shuffled the cards, and what we've drawn is the King of Wands. The King of Wands is a very powerful card. All the kings in the minor arcana represent the examples of how we're going to be in the world. Okay, the King of Wands has a mastery over his fire energy, a mastery over his life force energy, a mastery over his ability to get things started and initiate and push that energy out into the world. So this week you become what we call the master of that energy, or the sage. You might have a lot of people coming to you going, you know what, how did you use your creative energy in that way? I want to learn how you did that, because I'm watching the example of how you put that creative energy out into the world, and I really liked it. And now I want you to teach me. So people might be really acknowledging how far you've come and in that creative process, and really wanting your advice, your information. You won't have to seek people out at the Kings. People will come to you, okay? You just hold the wisdom and realize that you're attaining new levels of mastery for all the creative energy that you have in life. It should be a really solid week for you, really fun, and don't forget to just shine that energy into the world, and the right people will be attracted to that energy when it's the right time. Okay, enjoy your week, have fun with the King of Wands, and we'll talk to you next week.